Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. The Australian dollar yesterday managed to break above that key level of 76.30 and now looks towards the top side of 76.85 with the firm resistance seen at 77 figure 30. As you can see here, it was the rejection level back in November last year, and towards that region I do expect to see firm supply returning. On the downside, the support now comes in minor at 76.20. Now a break beneath 75.60.70, as you can see here I've highlighted, would see further negative price action for the Australian dollar and look down towards a potential target of 74.80.90 and reassess from there. The euro struggles to the upside overnight as the resistance still remains at 108.20.50. In light of the current rejection, I expect to see weakness into today and see a slightly firmer US dollar returning with the immediate support coming in at 107.35. Now it is viewed that a break beneath 106.80 would see further weakness for the euro and look down towards 105.70.85. The bulls for dollar yen still seem to be lurking around that 112 handle after re-challenging the previous low of 112.04 and rebounds back to the high 112. In light of the current pattern, I do expect to see slightly firmer price action today and a look towards 113.30.35. Now a break above there would give further scope to the upside and bring in a target of 113.85.95. And it is viewed from that region, if we do see a break, then we get further momentum towards that 115 region. In the event we get a break beneath 111.90 today, then further weakness sets in and gives an objective to 110.20.40. Well, with the Bank of England sitting on their hands, the interest rate remains at 25%. And in light of the current price action, the market ends by posting a bearish outside range day, as you can see here. In light of that negative signal, I expect to see further weakness. But that being said, we still need to see the MACD break down, and also we need to see prices through 124.20 to get that next move down to the 120 region. On the day, I expect to see a range of 125.10 to 125.65.75. Gold was firmer in Europe overnight after breaking above 12.18. It triggered its stops up towards 12.24.25 before plummeting back down to 12.15. In light of the current pattern, I expect to see weakness return and look down towards the support now of 12.04 to 06 and could actually see further weakness back to the previous lows around that 11.98 level. Towards the top side, resistance comes in now firm, still at 12.24 to 26. And to wrap up with oil, no change after the attempt overnight fails to take out that 54.60 level, still trading in a sideways band, and I expect to see weakness to resume in the next 24 hours and look back towards the immediate support of 53.40 and then lower to the objective of 49.60. So that wraps up my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for my intraday report that shall be released shortly.